Thanks guys for coming and watching. Okay, so number one, you need a primer. This fills in the potholes if they have colored hair. Super important. Number two, you could either use liquid spell or volume body mousse. Then I will take the texturizing cream just to put a little bit in the top, probably the size of a dime. And then I will spray the salt spray just on the top and more in the roots than anything else. And then of course you need a little bit of oil to be able to finish that shine. So you probably use 2 drops of this, get it in your hands, and then you're gonna pat it all through the hair on the ends. Then you go to the mid-shaft. Don't ever put it in the root though. So that is the product that you have to put in. If I flip that head over and I dry it 90 to 95% upside down, that cuticle of that hair is sticking straight up. And that's what I want. I want the hair to look moppy. We're gonna section it in a mohawk to the part. So it's gonna go where the part is and then go straight down to the back of the head in a mohawk section. Then you're gonna have 2 sections on the side and 2 sections on the other side. So let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna just lightly spray down the whole hair. I'm going to use my liquid spell. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna take just a little bit of that texture. I just literally put this in the roots. And the crown. Crown is super important too to do. Now I'm going to use a salt spray. Just 1, 2, 3. Just 3. Get it in there just a little bit more. Now I'm going to use my oil. 1, 2. And I'm going to grab those ends. Now I'm going to blow dry her 90 to 95% upside down. Woo! She's lying. This is what you want it to look like. A wish. So I'm going to just section it out. Literally, I'm going to do the whole head the same exact way. Just make sure you do a piece from this side and a piece from this side, wherever the part is. Start at the crown first. And you're going to put that hair nice and tight, just so you guys know. And you're going to over direct this forward. The blow dryer is going to be in front. You're going to take it, see all these ends, those wispy ends, you're going to get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. And then you're just going to roll them in there, blow dryer, and you're going to see how good and strong this piece is going to be right here. Super, this is your most important is your top. That's how you get a full volume blowout. Now I'm going to really get this brush hot. But I just want to show you what this is going to look like. Look at that beautiful volume. Whoa, right? That's what you want. You want that to say. You could even put a clip in there if you wanted, but I don't even have a clip in there. And look how good that that product makes it stay, right? So I'll get that out of the way. And now I want to do the next section. And then the front one, I'm actually going to do forward so I could do a nice sweep, a nice side sweep. And we're going to do the same exact thing through the whole entire head, but this is your most important part. So we'll just do this nice and quickly. I'm going to take the blow dryer and just re-blow dry it a little bit with my hands to separate some of those pieces. I want you to think, I want you to use your thinking mind and just see different ways that you could be able to create something. Out of one thing, you can create 5 other things. It's the best part. And you are all set with the full volume blowout. Yay, you did it. Practice, practice, practice makes improvement. Don't forget.